Hey going guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today I'm going to be showing you how to use your old Android phone as a gaming console for your TV. Now to do this it's pretty simple, you just need a couple of things. First you need your Bluetooth controller which you're going to use. Today I'll be using a PS4 controller because they are compatible with the newer update of Android. But you could just use any Bluetooth controller or wired controller that you want. Second, you need your old phone that you're going to use as the console, and you'll need to download an emulator and some games to play for it. For this demonstration, I have downloaded an N64 emulator and Mario Kart. And the last few things you need is either to screencast your phone, or, which I would recommend, is a USB-C to HDMI cable, because that will allow for less lag than using the screencast. But for this video, I'm going to be using the screencast because I don't have a HDMI to USB-C cable lying around. Alright, now I'll show you guys how to do it. So first what you want to do is you turn on your phone, get that up and running. You're going to go into settings, Bluetooth, and this is where we're going to pair our controller. So to do it with the PS4, all you do is you hold down the PlayStation and the share button. So you press and hold until it starts flashing, just like that. Press scan, there you go, it shows up on your phone. Connect with it, pair, and there you go. As you can see, I can now use my phone. I can now use my controller on my phone. Now the next thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and connect it to your TV. I'm going to use the wireless projection, but again I'd recommend using the HDMI cable. Connect it to your TV. Just go ahead and wait for that. So this is pretty good because it allows you to get a little bit more use out of your old phone that you might have laying around. And yeah, you can just game on it, leave it lying around for the kids or whatever to play if you're a bit bored. Alright, so now that has been paired to my TV. Now, you want to open up your emulator. This bit may be a little bit tricky because you might have to sync all the buttons to your emulator app. Alright, by the look of it, it is working natively without having to adjust, like synchronize the buttons or anything. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys the TV now. So, as you can see, oh, that is so laggy. So as you can see, I can now use this to game with. Yeah, pretty cool. To get rid of that slight bit of lag, which you guys can see, is to use the HDMI to USB-C cable. That should eliminate some of that lag and make it just a little bit nicer to play. Yeah, that's one example of using your Android phone as a TV home console. That's it for this one, guys. Please remember to like and subscribe. Share the video if you liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.